Arif, and today we are gonna learn how to make invisible name Facebook account without any government issued documents. And guys, the method that I will share with you will be applicable for both iOS and Android users. So now the iOS users are also going to enjoy this video. Facebook account in the official Facebook app. So guys, you can see this is the Facebook account whose name I want to remove. Means I want to create an invisible name on this account. So tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select settings and privacy. Then select settings. Then tap on personal information. Then select name. And now the first thing you need to do is to apply the name change limit on your Facebook account. And this can be done by changing your name to any other random name like I am doing here. And then tap on review change. And then type your Facebook password and tap on save changes. And if you see this error message no internet connection, then you need to refresh the page by scrolling down. And now you can see the name change limit is applied on our Facebook account. And now the next thing you need to do is to add a nickname. So scroll down and tab on add a nickname. Here type any random name. It doesn't matter what name you are going to type here. Then check the option show at top of profile and tap on save. Now go back to your Facebook profile. And refresh the page once and take a screenshot of this page. Now go back to your Facebook settings. Personal information, name. And then here you are seeing an option learn more, so tap on it. Then you will see this page, then scroll all the way down and here you are seeing you can fill out this form to request name change and confirm your name. So tap on this blue link. Then you will be redirected to the changing your name form. Then here this is the main part of the video, so watch it carefully now. Here type Mr. but M should be small and R should be capital. Then type dot and then we need to type that name which we added before as a nickname. As I added Usman Ali as my nickname, so I will write here Usman. But we need to keep in mind one thing here, that the first alphabet of Usman should be small and the rest of the alphabet should be capital. And the same thing we need to do in the last name section. The first alphabet should be small and the rest of the alphabet should be capital. And at the end we need to type capital A dot capital A dot capital A. Okay, now scroll down and select the reason for the change as spelling mistake. Then here attach the screenshot of your Facebook profile which you took before. Then scroll down and tap on the send button. And now our form is successfully submitted to the Facebook team, and now we need to wait for an email from the Facebook team. Let me show you the time here. So guys, I will be back when I will receive an email. So guys, I am back after approx 16 hours and I have received an email from the Facebook team which you can see here. Hi, it looks like the name you have requested may not follow the Facebook's community standards, so we would like to help you update the name on your profile. So now go back to your official Facebook app. I didn't log out my account from the app, and also you don't need to log out your account, okay? And then you will see here session expired, please log in again, so tap on OK. Then we need to log in our Facebook account again. So I will type the email address and password here, and then we will log in our account. And then you will see confirm your identity, so tap on get started. And then you will see this page, can we update your name, so tap on don't update. Then tap on next. Then here scroll down and attach the screenshot of your Facebook profile which you attached before in the previous form. And then here in the first name section we need to paste the invisible symbol, and this invisible symbol will be given below in the description of this video so you can get it from there. And we need to carefully copy the symbol enclosed in the square brackets like I'm doing here. Now go back to the form and paste the invisible symbol in the first name section. And then in the last name section, type the name which you added before as a nickname. And that's it. Now tap on the submit button. And guys, if you face problem in pasting the invisible symbol, then you will need to go to the clipboard and then paste the invisible symbol from there, okay? And now the Facebook team is saying us thank you, so now log out your account. Remove the app from the background, and now we will need to wait for another email from the Facebook team, so I will be back when I will receive another email. And guys, again I am back after 20 minutes and I just received an email. You can see this is the fresh mail 6 minutes ago. Thanks for contacting us, we have upgraded the name on your account to the name we requested. So guys, now go back to your official Facebook app and log in your account again. Tap on get started. And guys, if you see this error connection loss, then what you have to do is to clear the data of your Facebook app. So after clearing the data, when I logged in my account, I was successfully logged in. Okay, I skip the part, then tap on update name, then tap on go to newsfeed. So guys, now finally the process is completed. Now if you wish to save the login info, then you can tap on OK. Now I will also show you the invisible name by going to the profile. So guys, the invisible name is successfully created, only the nickname is displaying here, so now we will remove this nickname. So scroll down and tab on see your about info. Then scroll down and here tab on nickname and then tab on delete name. So guys, now the nickname is also deleted successfully. Now if I go back to the profile and refresh the page, now you can see here that the invisible name is successfully created on our account. And guys, this is universally invisible, means it will be invisible in the official Facebook app, in the Facebook Lite app and in the browser. And guys, it took a lot of time in making this video, so guys, please like this video and share it with your all friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the red subscribe button and press the notification bell near it. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.